you said earlier that it seems as the effects of the tariffs so far haven't quite materialized. Those weren't your words verbatim. But Walmart, Gap, Coca-Cola, General Motors, Macy's have all said that they expect the tariffs to affect the prices of everyday consumer goods. So my question is when should there be an effect? When would you expect to see that? And at what point do you start to become worried that it's actually going to affect consumer spending and dampening economic growth?
It's a concern. It's a risk. So you could see prices moving up. We don't see it yet, but you could see retail prices moving up. The tariffs might provide a basis for companies to raise prices in a world where they've been very reluctant to and unable to raise prices, where raising prices is really difficult, with the ability to shop on the internet. This could provide, a way for, again, we don't see it in the numbers. And, until we see it in the numbers, it's hard to say how one would react. And the other question would be, if you're just talking about the effect on inflation, is it just a one-time increase in the price level, or is it actually fueling higher inflation going forward? And that's an important question in how we would think about the appropriate response.
But is there a sense of timing in terms of when you might see that kick in, the effect of?
Don't see it yet. Don't see it yet. But you're hearing, broadly across the economy, it's not just tariffs. We're hearing a lot of talk of labor shortages, of material costs in particular industries. We're hearing a lot, what amount to supply side constraints and things like that. But we're not seeing it. We're seeing a sort of modest increase in wages, inflation right around 2%. No sense of it moving up really. So we're not seeing it yet, and we just aren't. And we're watching very carefully.